Unlocking the power of professional English. Mastering formal language and register. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode in our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic for anyone striving to excel in professional environments. We'll be diving into the depths of formal language and register in professional communication, specifically focusing on how to choose the appropriate register for different professional settings. Understanding this aspect of communication can be a game changer in your professional life, making you stand out from the crowd. Before we get into the specifics of different settings, let's first clarify what we mean by formal language and register. Formal language is a style of speech or writing that's typically characterized by complex sentence structures, advanced vocabulary, and a strict adherence to grammatical rules. On the other hand, register refers to the degree of formality in language, which can change depending on the context. For example, the way we speak or write in an academic setting might differ from how we communicate with friends. It's essential to match your register to your environment. Today, we'll focus on how to adjust your register to fit various professional settings. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into how to adjust your register for different professional environments. Business settings. In formal business settings, such as meetings, presentations, or negotiations, it's crucial to use a formal register. This means employing sophisticated vocabulary, avoiding slang or jargon, and using complete and grammatically correct sentences. For example, instead of saying, "I'm gonna present the sales forecast," you could say, "I will present the sales forecast." Scientific or academic settings. Scientific or academic environments often demand an even higher level of formality, with an emphasis on technical and subject-specific vocabulary. Passive voice is frequently used, and statements must be accurate, concise, and backed by evidence. For instance, instead of saying, "We found out that the drug works," you could say, "The efficacy of the drug was established through the experiment." Medical settings. In medical settings, the register is formal, but the language needs to be clear and devoid of unnecessary jargon, especially when communicating with patients. For example, instead of saying, "Your CBC showed leukocytosis," you might say, "The blood test shows that you have a higher than normal white blood cell count." Customer service. In customer service, politeness is key. Formal language and register are used, but the language also needs to be friendly and empathetic to ensure the customer feels heard and valued. For example, instead of saying, "You need to fill the form," you could say, "Could you kindly complete the form, please?" Understanding how to adjust your language and register based on the setting is an invaluable skill in the professional world. We hope this video has been a useful guide to navigating the landscape of formal language and register in professional communication. Remember, it's not just what you say but also how you say it that makes a big difference. Keep practicing and exploring, and you'll master the art of communication in no time. Until next time, happy learning!